So hello everyone, welcoming you to another video. In this video, we are going to do exercise 1.5 number system class 9. Okay, so let's get started. So the very first question is, classify the number as rational or irrational. As I already told you how to classify a number is rational and irrational. We need to simply, if a number is non-terminating and non-repeating, the number is termed as irrational. What I said, if the number is non-terminating and non-repeating, that number is called irrational number. Okay. So coming on question number first, part first. Question number first, part first. 2 minus root 5. So here 2. If we take 2 separately, 2 is a rational number, but minus root 5 is an irrational number. How? Why? Because root 5, when expanded by long division method, it gets a number which is non-terminating and non-repeating. So first number is irrational. Coming on to the second number. Okay, coming on to the second question. It is 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. Okay. So what do you think, guys? It is a rational or irrational? Root 3 is a prime number and it is under root. So it can be a irrational number. But separately. We are asking about this whole. So we can expand it as root 23 minus root 23. So this gets cancel out. 3 is only left. So 3 is a rational number. As it can be represented as P upon Q, which Q is not equal to 0. And P and Q are co-prime integers. Remember this definition. This definition is going to help you a long way. Okay, coming on to question number third. Okay. Question number third is 2 root 7 upon 7 root 7. We have not seen yet multiplication and division in this root, but we will see it in the upcoming next section of this video. So what it is, it will simply get cancelled out. Root 7 will be cancelled out by itself. What is left? It is left as 2 upon 7. So it is a rational number. Yes, P upon Q, Q should not equal to P and Q are co-prime integers, and P and Q are co-prime integers. Okay, coming on to fourth question, which is 1 by root 2. Root 2 is an irrational number. So 1 by root 2 is also an irrational number. Okay. Coming on the fifth question, 2 pi. Okay. You know what is pi? Pi is nothing but 22 upon 7. It can be also written as 3.14. But when we divide it further, it is an infinity number which is non-repeating and non-terminating, So what it is a non-terminating and non-repeating number. So pi, the value of pi is 22 over 7. So this whole combination of whole becomes what it becomes. It simply becomes irrational. What it becomes? Irrational. So again we are writing an irrational. This is rational. I am R. This is R, and this is irrational. Okay. Coming on question number 2. Okay. Coming on to the question number 2. Let me change the marker. Okay. The marker is very light. I hope so. Okay. The question number 2 is simplify each of the following expression. Okay. What we need to do is we need to simply simplify it. Let me rub it. Okay. Or I should write it there. Just wait. Okay. Question number 2, simplify. In this, we are going to see how to multiply, divide, subtract and add rational plus irrational numbers. Let's get see it. Question number 2, part first. 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. Okay, there is no symbol. So this simply means it is in multiplication with this first digit is in multiplication with the second digit. Okay, so let's get started. How we need to do? First understand how. the first digit is multiplied with the first digit of the second number. The first digit is again multiplied with the second digit. Now the second digit of the first number is multiplied with the first digit of the second number. Then the second number is multiplied with the second number. This is how multiplication takes place. Okay. So how we get it? 3 to we need to first multiply this. 3 to 6 into this 3 root 2 plus we need to multiply these to 2 root 3 plus root 6. We need to multiply these two 3 to 6. So root 6. So this is your answer. Okay, for question number first. Okay, coming on question number second. Question number second is 3 plus root 3, 3 minus root 3. Can you see it similar to A plus B, A minus B? Can you see similar something? There's like A plus B, A minus B. कुछ तो दिख रहा है ना? So we can write directly or by simplifying, as I told you, this method, or directly by applying the identity. Okay, so by directly applying the identity, we get A plus B minus A square minus B square, right? A square minus B square, right? B square, which is 6. Again, by solving it by this method, 3 into 3, 9, plus 3 root 3. This into this, plus 3 root 3. This into this, root 3 into root 3, root 9. Okay, am I not mistaking anywhere? Yes, the minus sign needs to be implemented here. I was seeing I was mistaking something. Okay, plus minus cancel out. My root minus 3 is 3. So 9 minus 3, which is 6. I have verified it with both the terms by simply A plus B, A minus B is equals to A square minus B square, by the identity, as well as by the method I am solving. Okay, question number 3. Root 5 plus root 2 whole square. I think आप सभी को याद है what is A plus B whole square. It's A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay, so we can write it by this also, by expanding through A plus B whole square, we get A square plus B square plus 2AB, right? So A square, which is 5, plus B square, which is 2, plus 2AB, root 5 root 10, 2 root 10. Okay, so this comes to be 7 plus 2 root 10. This is your answer. Okay, this can be further written as 2 5. No, this can be written as this one. So let me come 10. No, this can be written as this one. 2 5, right? Okay, coming on question number 4. Where I should do it? I should write it here and do it there, right? There is a lot of space. Root 5 minus root 2, root 5 plus 2. Okay, this is also similar to this one. A plus B, A minus B. It is all a concept of how you remember the identities which you have learned or which you are going to learn. It's basically in the second chapter, polynomial, but it's all about how you learn. Okay, polynomial linear equation, main chapters are going to come here. Okay, I can see it, I can implement it directly. You can also implement it. Okay, it's A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square, A square minus B square, which is 3. This is your answer. Okay, so I hope you guys understand it. Coming on to the question number 3. Okay, recall pi is defined as ratio of circumference, right? Of a circle and its diameter d, that is pi c by d. This seems contradicted. The fact that pi is irrational, okay? How will you resolve this contradiction? It's simply pi value is 22/7, which is an irrational number. But for our assumption in perimeter chapter, we use it as 3.14 or 22.7. So what it comes to be is, we use it for our calculation, but it's an irrational number, okay? This was all the question number 3 was saying. Coming on question number 2, coming on question number 4. For question number 4, it is a long concept, so I'm going to make a totally different, new, fresh video for you all, so that you can understand the procedure, how to solve these type of questions, okay? So we will be doing question number 4 in the upcoming videos. Link is in the description. Do check it out. Do not forget to check it out. Coming on question number 5. Rationalize the denominator of the following. So we have fractions, right? The basic rule of fractions is, in the denominator, let me tell you, this is the numerator upper side and this is the denominator, the lower side. The rule of the fraction states that there will be never a negative value in a denominator. What? There will be never a negative value in a denominator. Also, there is another rule which states that there will be never under root in the denominator. Like we have written 1/√2. This can never exist according to fraction rules. So to counter this problem, what we have done, we have come across a new term, which is rationalize. Rationalize is nothing but multiplying denominator by its conjugate. Now what is conjugate? It's simply a value which is implemented by reversing the signs. What it is? It is simply a value which is come after reversing a sign. We will see in this. Now let's get started, okay? Okay. So let's see how to perform these kinds of questions. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. आपका ही चैनल है भाई, कर लोगे तो आपके लिए भलाई है, ठीक है ना? Question number this 5, rationalize 1 by root. Question number 5, question 5, first 1 by root 7. What we need to do is, we need to simply multiply it. What we need to do is simply multiply it by root 7 in root 7. What it becomes? It becomes root 7, and 7 into 7 becomes 49, which is under root 49, which is 7. So this is your answer. Okay. Coming on to question number part 2 of this question, which is 1/√7 minus root 6. Root 7 minus root 6. Now what is this? These are two irrational numbers in the denominator. As I already told, irrational numbers are not tolerated in the fraction. So what we need to do? We need to rationalize the new term, which is simply multiply it by its conjugates. Okay. Now multiplying it by it simply becomes root 7 plus root 6, and when we multiply this by this, can you see? It is a plus b, a minus b. It's very simple. You will be using it in many terms. Now this identity is going to use so much of time. A plus b, a minus b. So what it is? A square minus b square, which is 6, which is simply 1. Okay, so it can be simply written as root 7 plus root 6. Okay, coming on question number 3, root 5 plus root 2. 1/√5 plus root 2. Multiply it with root 5 minus root 2. Multiply it with root 5 minus root 2. What it becomes? It becomes root 5 minus root 2 upon a plus b, a minus b. It's as simple as that. A square minus b square. I'm writing it direct. A square 5 minus b square 2, which is 3. It starts. Coming on to question number 4, which is root 7 minus 2. Coming on to question number 4, which is 1 upon root 7 minus 2. So this can be rationalized as root 7 plus 2. I think it's understandable. So root 7, sorry, I'm again mistaking, root 7 plus 2. So what it becomes? It becomes root 7 plus 2. Now we need to multiply this by this. This is a similar part of a plus b, a minus b, but we need to stay a little conscious while dealing with this, because in this we were having root in both the numbers, but in this we are having root on single number. So we can apply that, but be conscious, okay? Like galat na kar do aap, okay? So a plus b, a minus b, a square 7 minus b square 4, 7 minus 4, 7 minus 4, 3. So this is your answer. Okay, catch you up in the next one. We will be doing question number 4. Do not forget to watch question number 4. It is in the description. We will be doing it. Thank you. If you like the content, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.